We build machines, we fight the wars, chasing profits, always wanting more. Missiles fly while tanks roll through. In this system, who's fooling who? Farmers' pills, they numb the pain, but the cost of life is lost in the game. Opioids grip, they hold you tight. Dollar signs shining bright in the night. We're caught in a web of complex ties, while power and money control our lives. From the prisons to the streets we cry, but they turn a blind eye while we survive. Media's playing the same old song. Rap echoes truths, but something's wrong. Complex ties we're tangled strong, in a world where the lines blur all along. Marijuana's legal, profits soar, but who pays the price from the years before? Locked away, they can't be free, while the industry celebrates victory. Rap's got the beat, but the message fades. Turn to gold chains and escapades. From the blocks to the corporate halls, culture's blocked, but the voice still calls. We're caught in a web of complex ties, where power and money control our lives. From the prisons to the streets we cry, but they turn a blind eye while we survive. Media's playing the same old song. Rap echoes truths, but something's wrong. Complex ties we're tangled strong, in a world where the lines blur all along. Military might and corporate greed, they feed the beast, never freed. Prison gates and cultural scars, we're just players under the stars. Media flash controls the view, but deep inside we know the truth. We're caught in a web of complex ties, where power and money control our lives. From the prisons to the streets we cry, but they turn a blind eye while we survive. Media's playing the same old song. Rap echoes truths, but something's wrong. Complex ties we're tangled strong, in a world where the lines blur all along. In the shadows of the empire, we search for truth, we fight the fire. Complex ties we can't deny, but we'll